Welcome to our presentation on understanding smartphone warranty exclusion clauses, what's not covered and why it matters. Today we'll explore key insights that help you protect your valuable device. Why warranties matter. Smartphones are expensive investments, and warranties provide essential peace of mind. However, it's important to understand that not all damages or issues are covered. Exclusion clauses define what isn't protected under the warranty, and knowing these details can save you from costly surprises. Warranty categories. There are several types of warranties. The manufacturer warranty comes included with your purchase and covers manufacturing defects. Extended warranties are optional and offer additional time or coverage. Third-party warranties are offered by retailers or insurers and have their own terms. Being aware of the type you hold helps you understand your coverage clearly. The fine print. Exclusion clauses are the fine print in your warranty. These clauses limit or void coverage in specific cases, protecting manufacturers from liability. Legally enforceable in most cases, these clauses are often why warranty claims get rejected. What's typically not covered? Some of the most common exclusions include physical damage like cracked screens, water or liquid damage, unauthorized repairs or modifications, software issues not related to hardware, and natural battery wear over time. These are the reasons why many warranty claims don't succeed. Real-world examples. For example, one case involved a warranty being voided due to water damage. Another case saw a claim denied after a third-party screen replacement. The key lesson here is always to check warranty terms carefully before getting repairs done to avoid losing coverage. Spotting exclusions. When reading your warranty, watch out for terms such as limited warranty, and phrases like, does not cover accidental damage. Also, pay close attention to repair and usage conditions. These warning signs are critical to understanding your protection limits. Legal safeguards. India's Consumer Protection Act offers safeguards against unfair denials of warranty claims. If needed, you can file complaints with consumer courts, and regulatory bodies can mediate disputes. You are not powerless if your claim is unjustly rejected. Protect your coverage. To maintain your warranty coverage, register your device immediately after purchase, keep receipts and warranty cards safe, avoid unauthorized repairs, and use protective gear like cases and screen guards. These simple practices can prevent problems later on. Final thoughts. Warranties are not a blanket protection. Exclusion clauses define their limits. Make sure to read, understand, and safeguard your device wisely. Being informed is your best defense against unexpected costs.